Okay, hello everyone. This is a continuation from our story of ang Uhaw nga Uwak. There we go. And I just want to say that, yeah, this is part 2 of it and the last. All right, so let's begin. Unsaon kaha nako pag-inom og tubig sa pitsil, right? Unsaon kaha nako pag-inom og tubig sa pitsil? So let's break this down. You already know what unsaon means. Kaha, I told you what that meant, right? It's the wandering word, right? Of perhaps or maybe or wondering kind of marker or particle, I guess you could say, or word. Nako pag inom og tubig sa pitsil. So pag inom og tubig sa pitsil, you probably can figure out what this question is, right? Kailangan mo saka ang tubig aron maabot sa akong sungo, right? Kailangan, you already know what that is. It's a pseudo verb, right? Kailangan mo saka. Saka is the root word here. The root word for the verb to rise, for something to rise or to ascend, right? So mosaka is something that will rise or ascend. Ang tubig aron maabot sa akong sungo. So we're talking about what again? Because it's a absolutive marker, this absolutive focus marker on the water, tubig. Aron, I already explained that again in another video, which you can also use para, right? Maabot ang akong sungo, right? Aron maabot sa akong sungo, so that it will be able to, in order to reach my beak. Ang hunahunga sa uwak, the crow thoughts, or is the thinking of the crow, right? Next sentence. Okay, nakakita siyag mga gagmay nga bato ug usa-usa niya kini gihulog sa pitsil, right? Nakakita siyag, you know what that is, right? Mga gagmay, right? Look, we have the word gamay in here. Gagmay, we can take the root word of gamay. I already explained what that is to you, right? When you put the infix G in there, infix ga, gagmay, you already know why the manga is there now. Nga bato, right? Ligature again from our two words that are being described together. Gagmay nga bato, ug usa-usa niya kining gihulog, right? So, and one by one, right? Usa-usa is one by one. Niya is written in the ergative case this time, right? Niya. Kini gihulog sa pitsil, right? This hulog meaning to fall down, or for something to fall, right? To fall, or to something to just drop down, to fall. Gihulog, or to drop, right? Gihulog sa pitsil. So one by one, he or she or whatever sex the crow is of that thing, took the rocks and one by one dropped it down into the pitcher. Hangtud sa nisaka ang tubig, right? Hangtud sa nisaka ang tubig, until the water had already risen, right? So this crow is smart, right? He used the method of displacement, the scientific method of displacement, water displacement, right? Nakakiinom na dayon siya og tubig ug wala na siya giuhaw, right? Nakainom na dayon siya og tubig ug wala na siya giuhaw. So nakainom, you already know what that means. Na is that enclitic particle I explained in another video. Dayon meaning now or today. Now, something that's occurring in the now. Siya og tubig, and ug, right? Ug wala na siya giuhaw. Wala na siya giuhaw. Wala na is something that's not there anymore, right? Not there anymore. And we're using the case marker for the absolutive case because we're still talking about the crow, right? Giuhaw. So his or her or whatever the crow is, the crow's thirst is no more. No more of the crow's thirst, right? So that's it.